Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will explain what needs to be done to remove and replace sunroof motor on a car guys. We will demonstrate on this Dodge, but it will be almost the same procedure guys for many cars. The concept, the design is about the same for every sunroof. Unless you have the whole glass roof, then things may be a little bit more complicated. But stay with us and we'll explain where you can expect to find the sunroof motor, how to get to it and how to remove and replace it. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop guys, including this one here, we make at least 200 videos. Why we take our cars completely apart guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can, so please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you need to save even more money guys on car parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below, it's there for your convenience. So, we have a 2015 Dodge Dart that we'll demonstrate on, but as I said guys, many vehicles will use that design. I would say 80 to 90% of the vehicles that have a sunroof guys, okay, have a sunroof, something like that, okay, the procedure will be the same. So this is it guys, but where is that motor now? Let us explain you. Not very complicated guys to remove and replace those. You get inside the car and right here. So now right here as you can see, this is your sunroof on the inside. This is where the sunroof switch is. Now where the sunroof guys is, okay, the switch is most likely the motor will be on the front side, close to the mirror. Right here you can see you will have something that looks a little bit sticking out, okay, because they need to actually put that motor somewhere. And in our case you need to remove the dome light. Every dome light is different, but in our case we open that compartment right here and we just have two bolts, two screws that we need to remove with the Torx 25. Okay, start looking a bit like that. So now let me situate the camera quick. Okay, let me do that quick and we can go ahead and see. Okay, I'm trying to see if I can get more light. Okay, show you now. I'll remove the two. Okay, the two screws quick. One is out. I dropped it. Second one coming out. Now once I guys remove these screws, okay, things get a little bit easier. Why? Because now right here, okay, I'm going to close that, grab it on the front and pull it out. That's where the sunroof switch and everything is. But if you look right here underneath guys, that's where your sunroof motor is located as well, this device right here. And how you guys remove and replace that thing? I need to actually get a Torx 25 start looking bit, okay? From 20 we went to 25 in ours. Many of them will be either with a hex key or with a Torx guys, okay? It really depends. So I have the two already here now, and let me show you what we'll be doing now. Okay, we have guys three bolts most of the times that hold the motor, okay, to the assembly. 1, 2, 3 guys. Hold it now on the last one. I dropped one of them. Now right here we need to disconnect the wiring harness. You may have a different design, but you press in somewhere to release the clip and pull out guys. And looking at it now guys, okay, right there, this is your sunroof motor. That's it guys. Now on this side you have to be careful because you have grease. That's where the gear is and it goes in the mechanism, okay, right there. So often guys those can go bad, they can wear out, they can break. So we'll have a video how to replace a whole sunroof assembly as well. If you need to check it out guys, it will be on the channel very soon. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.